Guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you about the summary of Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. Emily Bronte's novel Wuthering Heights is written during the Victorian period and it has its setting in Yorkshire, England. It was a gothic novel and it is from the point of view of Nellie Dean. So let's start it. It begins with the character of Mr. Lockwood. Mr. Lockwood visits Thrushcross Grange to meet his landowner named Mr. Heathcliff. There he finds a 25-year-old diary written by Catherine, and he meets some very mysterious characters like Nellie Dean, and Nellie Dean narrates the whole story. Nellie Dean tells that once there was a man named Mr. Earnshaw who used to be the owner of all this property. Mr. Earnshaw has one baby boy named Hindley and a girl named Catherine. Once he was going through the streets where he finds the orphan child named Heathcliff, and he adopts him. Hindley, Mr. Earnshaw's son, becomes jealous of the newcomer named Heathcliff, and to prevent further conflicts, Mr. Earnshaw sends his own son Hindley to college. After Mr. Earnshaw dies, Hindley returns with his wife, and he claims all the property of Mr. Earnshaw and makes the Heathcliff his servant. Later in the novel, Heathcliff and Catherine falls in love and they together went to visit a place named Linton's House. In Linton's House, they meet with characters like Isabella and Edgar. After meeting Edgar, Catherine falls in love with Edgar because of his attractiveness and wealth, and Isabella gets crush on Heathcliff. Catherine says to Nellie that she will not marry Heathcliff because of how her brother treated him, and Heathcliff overhears that and he leaves Wuthering Heights and returns 12 years later to get his revenge on all the persons who wronged him. He returns 12 years later, he becomes rich, and he took revenge from Hindley by making him his servant, and he owned all his property that once Hindley owned. Hindley became a gambler and an alcoholic, and he dies after giving birth to a son named Hareton. Later, Heathcliff also makes Hareton his servant and took his revenge. In the end of the novel, Cathy dies after giving birth to a girl named Cathy. Hindley dies after his wife gave birth to a boy named Hareton, and also Edgar dies, Catherine dies, and later Heathcliff also dies, and it ends with the Mr. Lockwood visiting their tombs in the village, and that's it.